Welcome to my channel Life Hacks. I'm Matthew and I will teach you how to use Google Meet. And go to your Google Meet. Google Meet is /Hangouts and video. Mostly this is Hangouts. You can upload video. And then after that you can upload your mic. If the meeting are getting started, you can upload mic. You have a headphone. You can choose speaker off. Just click the speaker icon and you want to back that speaker on, rather speaker on, or just on the audio. Sorry, that's off. But to on that, click that again to uncheck and on. But that's it. For more instance, why do you want to upload audio? Because the meeting leader will turn on and the speaker will hear up what you are saying. And you want to create a new meeting, go to link or the plus icon. And after that, we want to load it. Then share it to your social media platforms. And you can see there is Messenger, say Drive, Gmail, Bluetooth, Teams. Oh, you can share that also in your Teams. But there's no. Oh, there's also share. You can share it in your Zoom app, rather Smart Teams, whatever. But the good news is you can share it in your Teams. That's the good news. Teams, if you have the Teams, you just download your Skype in your phone app. On the phone, and it's a good. This Google Meet is like Teams also. It's a good thing. You can share it in Teams, mostly in Messenger. Share it in Messenger. Then after I click that Messenger, I share it to my groups. Messenger. Share it to my groups. Okay. That's it. Done. Then I copy this, so you can drag it to this. So share it in your groups. Just go to groups. You can see it. I'm on my group, Bloggers PH Marketing, and this is a good Messenger. I share the meeting. The code is code for the link is meet.google.com/umq-acce.me. Whatever. This is only example, so like it, so that you will know what you do. You will go into that app, you will meet. We want to figure out what I'm doing. Present at okay. See that there is a two meeting. To make the video just this later hour that we have a new code. This is UMQ HGCE. Also write it on your notebook so that anyone will join on your meeting. Just type that code. People see that, and you see if that is on present on Messenger, mostly in your Messenger because it's most Filipino are active Messenger right now rather than Facebook, because Messenger is a part of Facebook. And you see the code is in the link already. I can write this code, this one. Oh yeah, it's direct already in the browser. It's like a Zoom. So that's it. And then that's it. And with that question, don't forget to subscribe on my channel Life Talks. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And by the way, I'm Matthew. And don't forget to share it on your friends and like this video if you like this video. And don't forget the hashtag Life Talks. And don't forget to comment on below if you like this video. Or if not, comment again on below. And this is my signing out.